Hi everyone. In this example, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use the DATEDIFF function in Tableau. In my example, we have order IDs in a sample superstore. We have an order date and a ship date. What I want to know as an analyst is how long did it take to ship the order? Here's what we'll need. Bring in order date and create a calculated field. I'm going to call this date difference, and it's simply DATEDIFF day, start date and end date, so order date and ship date. Okay, I'm going to bring this up to a dimension and I'm going to put it on rows. So now let me bring in order date and ship date to make sure I came to the right answer. In this first row, order date is 9/7, ship date is 9/13 for a difference of 6 days. I can go even further and create a bar graph of how common each date difference is by putting date difference on columns, removing order date and ship date, and converting order ID to account distinct.